Good morning, y'all. It's about 8:15 in the morning, and I just got done getting ready for the day. I just made my coffee. It is a nasty day outside here. It's supposed to be rainy and just kind of gross all day. My kids are still asleep because of the fact that it is raining. So I'm going to let them sleep as long as they want. I don't have Zoom calls today, so our distance learning homeschool situation can just kind of flow today because I don't have any set time that I need to be doing anything. I'm about to edit what I eat in a day and get it posted. That was filmed yesterday, and then I'm going to start on a module to try to get at least one done. I want to try to get at least 2 done today, but I'm going to try to get 1 done this morning before the girls get up, and then I will pick the camera back up here in a little bit and let you guys know what we're doing. So just hang out with us for the day. Like I said, it may not be very interesting because it is raining outside, but it'll give you a look into what our days look like for the most part right now. So y'all stick around. Hello again, guys. The kiddos are finally awake. And I'm getting ready to make them some breakfast. I finished one of my modules this morning. Already it is about 9:30. They are in watching Woody the Woodpecker and just having some downtime before we get started on our homeschool, which today should be pretty easy because I don't have Zoom meetings. I'm able to sit down and work one-on-one with each kid, and they seem to like that a lot better. We seem to get done a lot quicker if I can sit down and kind of like really get down to it with them and explain it to them. They seem to work a little faster. So we're going to do that. Right now I'm making breakfast for them, like I said. And after I make them breakfast, I'm actually going to do a little bit of cleaning. There's not a lot that needs to be done with certain things that need to be like wiped down, and I have some fruit that I need to cut up and get situated. So I am going to do that, and then I will see you guys a little bit later when I check in and let y'all know how our day's going. So let me get to feeding these children. Alright guys, it's a little bit later, and I am washing up some dishes from breakfast for the kids. They are finishing the movie that they were watching, and then I'm going to start on schoolwork with them. I'm going to just do one at a time. Today I think I'll probably start with Briley and get her out of the way, and then I'll do Emily's. Briley's stuff tends to be, she has a harder time doing it at home, so get her done, and then I can do Emily. But right now I'm taking this time to clean up the house. I've cleaned our main bathroom and the living room outside, and now I've moved on to the kitchen to clean up breakfast. You can see it's kind of dirty. So I'm taking this time to do that before I get started. And while I was in here, I was thinking that I needed to lay out something for supper, and I just wanted to ask, am I the only one that feels like they have cooked 250,000 times during this stay-home quarantine order? We've gotten takeout a couple of times from a few local businesses around us, and that's been helpful. For the most part, I've cooked every night almost, and I'm running out of ideas to cook. Like, I have plenty of things to cook. I just don't know what I want to cook. If you guys are wondering what I'm scrubbing on, my kids had these bath bombs that were from Nickelodeon. They're slime bath bombs, and I hated the way that they made my bathtub feel afterwards, and I just scrub it out. So I agreed to let them do one in one of these big clear containers, like Pyrex bowls. And I'm scrubbing it all out because it did the same thing in the bowl that it did in my bathtub. So I've had the bowl sitting in hot water with soap, and better than bathtub, but still pain. But anyways, back to the dinner thing. I was just curious as to whether or not everyone else feels the same way about cooking so many times, because y'all, I'm so tired of cooking. Like, I mean, I know we have to eat, but it stinks. So I'm going to clean up the kitchen and clean up a couple other little places in the house that need to be cleaned up a little bit. And then I will check back in with you guys whenever we are doing our schooling. So I will see you guys shortly. Alright friends, I am done picking up and cleaning up. The girls have started their schoolwork. Well, Briley has, and I'll show you that in a second. Emily's going to work after Briley. I'll show you what she's up to in a second. So Briley's going to work. We just got done doing a city project. She had to do a project on a city in Alabama. So we just got done doing that. And now she is working. We also did her science assignment that she had to do. So she has completed that. And now she is working on Freckle for 15 minutes. And then she has 15 minutes of Splash Learn. And let me turn you guys around and show you what Emily is doing while Briley is working, because I'll work with Emily after I'm done with Briley. This is what Emily is currently doing. She has made, I guess, a tent train. What is it, Emily? A tent. And she built this all by herself. She loves forts, tents, anything like that. She's all about it. She's very creative. You having fun? Yeah. So, that is what Emily is up to. Making a mess in the room I just cleaned up. And then Briley is over here working on, what you working on?
Freckle.
Freckle? You doing fat practice? So that is what we are working on right now. All right, Briley is done with her work. And so we're about to work with Emmy. But while Briley has been doing her work, I just showed you guys her little tent that she had made before I sat down to eat. I'm going to spin this around and show you guys what she has created while Briley was working and while I was helping Briley. So let me turn you guys around and show you really quickly. Alright guys, this is Emily's new fort that she has created in the den. She has added quite a bit to it since the last time, and I'm not even really sure. Hi, Emmy. Don't you think you need some pillows or something so the floor's not so hard? Yeah. Okay, how about we do that after we do your schoolwork, okay?
Hi.
Can we go work real quick on school?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Alright. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to work with Emily really quickly, and we're going to plow through her work because she's super fast. So we're going to get it done so she can keep playing in her fort. Right?
Yeah. Ow, my back.
Also, she did her own hair today.
Ow.
Guys, we got cup of coffee number 2. Kiddo number 2 is still working on her work. Kiddo number 1 is having some time on her phone. So I'm gonna drink this coffee and help Emily finish up and probably edit a little bit. How's your work going? Good. So we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna relax for a little bit, but I will see you guys a little later. homeschool for the day. These two are doing that. I just made their lunch. They're gonna have some chicken fries with blueberries and a yogurt.
Can we take them inside our tent?
No, let's not eat them in the tent. Let's eat them.
No, can we take them inside the tent? So yeah.
Oh, can you take the camera inside the tent?
Yeah, whenever it's all done and finished.
Oh yeah, when you're done, you can show them. Right now, I want you to take these to the table and go eat, and I'll bring you your drinks. So they're gonna eat, and I'm going to sit down and write out an email for work and try to do another module, and then get some editing done, and then I will let you guys know what else we have going on. Right now, it's only 1:30, so we got done pretty early today. So we're going to do all that, and I'm done with all the house cleaning for the day except for one load of laundry and then washing up whatever dishes we have. The only other thing we have to do today will be to cook laundry. So cook laundry, cook dinner, and finish the laundry. I don't know why my mind is always on laundry, but they're going to eat lunch. I'm going to go write an email and try to complete another module, and we will see y'all after a while. Okay, guys, Emily has finished the inside of her fort that she has been working on, and she would really like to show it to y'all. So I am going to hand her this, and I can't promise you that the next clips are going to be any sort of wonderful, but I'm going to hand her this and let her video, or Briley video, one of them video the inside of the fort. So I'm going to give y'all to her.
Okay, so what we have first is that we have a little bit of storage areas. Like this part right here is a tiny storage area. And then we have this little part where like Briley just puts all her stuff at, and we can put some stuff underneath there. And we have like, this spot. It's like a little window that Briley can open, I believe. And then we can get underneath here and sit right here, and we can just read our books right there. But we have a little tiny balcony right here. It's a table of mine, and I can just sit on this balcony. So it's a really cool balcony. And this is the outside of the house first. So that's the outside. And right here we have a little cute wall. So I really like that wall. No, I want to hop in here. So first, we had this hanging right here, but it's a little hand sanitizer because you all know the coronavirus is going around, so we just get the hand sanitizer. So yeah, we have this so that everybody who comes in, they have to put their hand sanitizer on, and it smells really good too. Right here we have this light up box thing. Right here we have this wallet. It has a little bit of money in it. We have this cool thing that our dad got us. It's really sharp, and those are real teeth. This isn't real eyes, but it's crystals. We got these rocks. And over here. And we got this glow thing. And we got a golf set. I got my skateboard because it's fun. And right here is our lovely secret area. Squat. Right here is where our toy cat hangs out. Our toy cat. She also can hang out right here too, on top of there. And right here we have our play area. So right here we have the Marshall thing. Our yearbooks. If y'all don't know what those are, it's basically pictures of like your kids and other kids that you can tell. And then we have a Liberty Pig. And then we have this pirate ship that our dad got. Our Insta Polaroid camera. I got binder this thingy whenever I was little, so I still keep it because it's. And then we got this really cool thing right here. And if you flip it, actually, the sand and the water will go another way. So yeah. And we have our Polaroid camera holder. I already showed that. And we have our Polaroid camera. A Polaroid camera. A Polaroid camera. Polaroid camera. Stop with me. So yeah, we got that. And then I have this princess book. I'm gonna read very easy. We have this back charger that we brought for our dad. We kind of use it sometimes. You can't see anything. We got a picture of our uncle. Over here is our bed. Oh, my head. Yeah, over here is our bed. And right here is like our stuffies and everything. Yes, this is Emily's donut pillow. I got Simba and my thing right here. And then we have a couple desks. Sorry, Emily is really bad at videoing. So yeah, guys. So yeah, we got 2 squishies. We got my Simba stuffed animal, and then my cat, and then I have my pillow, and then we have my old Elsa blanket. And if y'all guys didn't see good over here, this is our Polaroid camera back scratcher that I got my dad for Christmas. It says hands down, he'll focus. Best dad. Best dad ever. But that's the inside of the tent. We'll show y'all the outside. I think I already showed you. I don't know, but.
Alright, hey y'all. It is 4:45. It's been a little bit since I've seen y'all. I've honestly been sitting on the couch and watching some TV and doing a couple of things around here. The girls are currently in the bathtub, and I'm going to start dinner in about 30 minutes or so. Right now I'm going to fold up this one load of laundry. Currently waiting on my husband to get home. He had a chiropractor appointment this afternoon, so I don't know what time he will be home, but we are waiting on him. And then once it is closer to time for him to get home, I will go ahead and start dinner. But I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. I mean, it's still raining here. It has been raining all day, and it's supposed to rain, I think, pretty much into the night. So it's been a nasty, rainy, gloomy, gross day outside. So we've just been inside. The girls have still been playing in this fort this whole time. So just been our day on the inside. So just stick around and we'll see what happens tonight. Alright y'all, tonight's dinner is mac and cheese with chicken that was in the air fryer, broccoli, and then cheese sauce over both of these. Cheese sauce got a little watery. By the way I make it is just milk, Kraft singles, and some butter, and that is it. So that is what's for dinner. The girls are eating currently, so that's it. Clean kitchen after dinner. I love a clean kitchen after dinner. It's the best feeling ever. Fort still going strong. This is like hour 6 at this point. And watching movies. Alright guys, it is almost 7 o'clock. So I am about to take my makeup off, wash my face, and go sit down for the night and watch some movies and just hang out until bedtime and relax. So thanks for joining in today and spending the day with us. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.